I'm going to talk about best 2D animation software.
Run.
I had made this animation and this, also this, and this, and this, also this, and that. Ye or wo, mix and match. Ekme do. I'm going to talk about Synfig Studio. It is blah 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 and very good software. And main thing is, it's free. Wait, what? Yes, it's free of cost. Wait, you still not subscribe my channel? Yeah, I can see it. And you also had not liked my video. You are so harsh. Synfig Studio is open source vector based 2D animation software. Hey, can you explain it? You are a good question. You are very good question. You can use Synfig Studio for creating awesome animation and special effect in your videos. If you are not showing your face in your video, like me, you can use cartoon character to attract more audience. For more details, visit www.synfigstudio.com. Yeah, it's also free.